swim for Vollmer, as expected, the Olympic champion.
One show has been at the center of it all.
Mr. Sandusky, what do you say?
If Jared Sandusky were sitting right here.
This was the longest portion.
That's on video now.
It sounds like
That's on video.
Rock Center with Brandon Williams returns Thursday, August 16th here on NBC.
At the Jeep Summer Clearance event, you can make this summer your time. Time to find your power and lose your doubts. Time to explore new territory and find yourself along the way. Time to steer clear of the ordinary and make room for the extraordinary. Just like the deals you'll find at the Jeep Summer Clearance event.
Now, well-qualified lessees get Jeep four-wheel drive for $199 a month, or purchase get $1,500 cash allowance.
So, Jack, why'd you want to have me in your commercial?
You kidding, Brad? You're an all-American country music superstar, and this is my all-American Jack combo. A no-nonsense burger with 200% beef patties, melting cheese, lettuce, and tomato. Plus, it comes with fries and a drink for just $4.99. What's more all-American than you?
Oh, I don't know. Bald eagles? Baseball? Monster trucks? Toddler pageants? Spray tans? Dog sweaters?